Thank you. Thank you for giving this opportunity to share our view and experience. So my name is Armands Meirāns. I'm innovation lead in Latvia's mobilized telephones, which is a leading telecommunication operator in Latvia. And I'm responsible for public safety and defense vertical in the company. So, the topic is how and do European Union programs are boosting innovations. So before to start with, I will give short introduction of the company. Latvia's mobilized telephones is partly state-owned. We have more than 200 million euro annual turnover. We have 950 employees, a bit more. One of our main ambitions when we decided 4 years ago, when we decided to start innovation process in the company, one of our ambitions is also very close collaboration with government, academic, and startup institutions, and to develop that environment so this collaboration becomes more and more efficient and is not only in Latvia but also on international level. And regarding the innovations, we have at the point we have 4 initiatives. One vertical is regarding the drones, second is regarding the mobility, third is regarding Internet of Things or IoT, and fourth is defense and public safety, which is led by me. But looking on all of those verticals, all of those initiatives, for us as a mobile network operator, of course, joint interest is 5G network technology, which is coming in now. And there is also starting some talks about 6G and so on. And it's something of our top interest for now. And basically 5G is as connectivity technology interesting for all innovative verticals we are working in. What 5G is changing, one of the things is that it requires much more competencies than previous network generation technologies. So we of course need to be successful with 5G use cases. We need telco network equipment manufacturer competence. We need software development capability. We need mobile network operator competences, which we have, of course. And then we need very deep in subject expertise. No matter what is the topic, mobility, drones, or defense, we need to be very into the subject to understand the specific needs and to understand how 5G can help from connectivity point of view. Also, we need computing experience, expertise, and artificial intelligence and machine learning experts. So, and knowing that, we understand that all those competencies, it's very highly difficult to have in the company. Of course, we have some of them, and main of our competence is mobile network operator, and we are working to develop all others, but to have those competencies for today, we need to have very wide partnership network. We need to collaborate with academic research, other companies, and for that, European Union programs helps a lot. Here are some slides about our expertise, experience in the European programs. I wanted to start with the main points why we joined, why we decided to start our path in European Union programs already 4 years ago in 2017. So first assumption was that Union programs can give very wide and qualitative networking opportunities. We wanted also to raise our experience in the programs, understand better what is the bonuses and what maybe need to what we can take from those programs regarding our innovation initiatives, and can the participation be also partly as market research for some state-of-the-art technologies. And third, of course, is supportive funding, which is very, very important for to develop the highly skilled team in the company and to develop specific innovative products, solutions for which we are working to. So what we did 2017, 2018, first steps was we started consultation with national contact points representatives in Latvia. So from them, from colleagues there, we got some advices about the brokerage events we need to visit. So we started visiting the brokerage events to understand what is the environment there, how the communication happens, what are some requirements for participation and so on. And on 2019, we became more active. We already knew more precisely which brokerage events we want to visit. We also had already done some information about our interest and our ambition in the European projects. So we were actively presenting that on the booklets, on the presentation, and so on for all potential partners. And 2019 is the year when the LMT joined also first two projects called Sparta and Comfort Drones. 2020, 2021 was the years, and 2021 is still ongoing. So this is the period when we became we understood more precisely what we want to, or what is the rule we want to have in the projects. We started more directly focusing on the topics of our interest. We joined additional two projects called 5G roads on 2020, and the other project was IMAX. So I will give a short brief afterwards. And we also did huge step forward by coordinating first proposal preparation. Our idea about radio signal sense solution for the border guards called. The project was named Radio 2S. So Sparta was our first project. Project started 2019 on February. It is regarding the cybersecurity. On the same year, 2019, in October, we joined also a project which is not directly to Horizon, but under program Excel joint undertaking, and called Comfort Drones, and it's about autonomous drone solutions. Last year on September, we joined the 5G roads project, which is regarding 5G network technologies and their usage for autonomous vehicles. And it's a very, very interesting project for us because there's a lot of new things regarding the 5G, even for us as an operator. And there is from networking point of view, it's a highly valued project because there's Ericsson as a consortium leader, which is manufacturer, and there's a lot of competencies needed for 5G use cases. So, yeah, fourth project is more related to defense, and it's under the program European Defense Innovation Development Program, and it's called EMOX. I put the picture from our team in that project because I'm from defense vertical, so it's more closer to me. But yeah, basically, it's also very highly valued from my side, from company side. It's highly valued opportunity for networking because we can as a newcomers in the defense industry, we can contact directly with the specialists, with companies. We are willing to have a contact in what is very difficult to do other ways. For example, exhibitions is. You cannot compare the networking quality what we have in exhibitions and in that project. So and Radio 2S is the project we submitted last year. We were the authors of the idea. We were the coordinators of the project. And the solution was regarding the autonomous monitoring solution for securing European external borders. The need came from the Latvian border guards. So altogether, 6 border guards authorities were in the project from Latvia, Lithuania, Romania, Greece, Moldova, Bosnia and Herzegovina. And overall, we had 21 partners. So we did not get the financing for the project. Nevertheless, we did very good because we were first from 20 proposals and achieved 30 points from 15 possible. So to conclude, I wanted to once again notice that our assumption about the qualitative networking became real. It's really so that in the European programs, the networking capability and opportunities is very high, and I suggest everyone to use these opportunities. Also, we understood that market research is very difficult process, and European programs can help in that a lot, because, for example, if you have in the company idea of something, some new solution, some state-of-the-art concept or so, next step you need to do is to understand if such solution is not already in the market in other maybe other companies are developing in Europe. So, and what you can do, you can try to do it yourself. You can pay someone to do that market research for you, or from my point of view, you need to join the European programs, and then you meet a lot of professional experts, which will through the collaboration will give you notice, is it something really good, or you need to look for other approach. Yeah, and third point is regarding the coordination. Of course, it's if you decide to be a coordinator, be prepared for very hard work. Nevertheless, even if you do not success, it is a very good test for your team, for your company, and a very efficient team building activity. That's my conclusions. And I highly recommend to use those opportunities which are provided by European programs. Horizon 2020 was the previous, Horizon Europe, European Defense Innovation Development Program, and others. And I see a lot of benefits, and I can say in the name of company LMT that we are very satisfied that we decided such step, and we have a lot of plans for future as well. Thank you. And European programs are boosting innovation. It's something we believe, and it's something we experience. Thank you.